Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about a key important topic, which is how to keep ourselves updated, especially with the latest trends or advancements which are happening in software industry. This is very key here. If you wanted to grow in software industry, definitely you should be keep tracking all the latest trends and advancements in related to software industry, what is really happening. Otherwise, definitely we cannot grow in software industry. So I'm going to discuss what are the different ways we can keep ourselves updated with these latest trends and advancements. So let's keep watching in this video. So the first thing what we should do is we should follow the reputable resources. Basically, we should follow all the blogs which are available in the internet or newsletters or publications which are normally posted on the different platforms. So you should keep reading those information such as you can read from TechCrunch website or Hacker News or DZone or Software Engineering Daily, Word, Spectrum and Medium. These are some of the reputed sources. You can go through it and you can understand what are the really new things are happening in the software industry. And also we can follow the various social media networks as well, like Twitter, LinkedIn and Reddit. And the second one is we should engage in the online community. This is very key because there are various online forums or discussions groups are available in the online where you can follow that, like you have a Stack Overflow or we have a GitHub, we have a Reddit, different subreddits are available where they are posting various discussions are happening there, and you can follow those discussions. Definitely we can improve our knowledge or we can understand what is really happening in the market in the software industry. And the third one is if you could able to attend the conferences and meetups, also going to help us to cater to the learning the new trends, especially the area where you are working. If you are going to attend these conferences and meetups relevant to those area where you can meet up the latest leaders in those industry, and definitely they will expose all these trends or what actually they are working upon, so that you can keep ourselves with these new trends. Plus they will also showcase what is the future in this industry. Definitely you can work in those conferences and meetups to get as much as information possible. Next one is definitely after learning through different trends, you should learn those things as well. How can we learn the new things which is happening in the software industry is by taking some of the online courses or tutorials in the online. Definitely can keep us forward. Especially there are various courses are available in Udemy, Coursera, or plural sites. By going through this website, definitely you can take up latest trending topics or trending courses, and you can keep always ahead in the game in the software industry with respect to new technologies, new frameworks and methodologies. That is how we should keep ourselves with the latest trends. And the next one is we should also join the professional organization. That is very key because if you wanted to keep ahead with the other people, definitely if you could able to join some of the professional organizations where they will also keep us posting about the latest happening, and also we keep getting the various articles, various blogs or various research papers, so that you can keep ourselves top in the game in the software industry. And the next one is you should also keep trying doing side projects along with your main projects or main work, because if you wanted to keep ahead in the game, definitely you should work with the doing side projects related to new things, what is really happening in the market with the new technologies that would give you the more hands-on the emerging trends or emerging technologies. You can definitely experiment the side projects by developing prototypes and as well as developing the open source projects, or you can create your own application so that you can learn these latest trending tools, and you can practice by doing these side projects. And the next one is there is also a way we can join various online coding communities to learn new things, especially if you follow the GitHub or GitLab, where you can collaborate with the different developers, and you can also share your code, whatever you have developed earlier as side projects, and you can start contributing to the open source world as well. So in that way, you can definitely keep you ahead in the game or with the latest advanced developments which is happening in the software industry. And the next one is you should always be stay curious as well as proactive. So these are the some of the things you should do as part of your day-to-day job or as part of your career in software industry, that would help you to keep yourself stay ahead forefront in the software industry related to the latest trends and what is happening in the software industry. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.